Hi besties, I'm Jen.
I'm Shannon. Welcome back to the Calm and Chaotic Connection.
We are best friends. We are totally opposites. I shop at Meijer. Shannon's gonna pass on Meijer. So if you're from the Midwest, you know that Meijer is
It's a superstore. It's a Walmart. It's a super Target.
It's a chain
of stores.
Only in the Midwest. You will not find it anywhere else.
They're based out of here in Michigan. And they do beauty boxes.
I've seen them before. I don't
really know what we're getting into.
Yeah, we're not really sure. Our friend Donna called us and said, I have a thing.
These are here.
Come get them. So these are $15.
So these are twice as much as a Walmart box.
Yeah.
Are we going to get twice as much? I don't want to say twice as many products, but are we going to get twice the quality?
So I need to see some full size. I need to see makeup and skincare.
And Meijer carries a little bit higher end brands than we do at Walmart.
Yes. Yeah, you can go to Meijer and get an Olaplex or, the Essence. Does Meijer sell Essence?
Yeah.
Walmart doesn't?
No.
Okay. So you can get higher end brands.
Yes. So that's what I'm looking for here.
Yeah.
I don't care if I have more items. I just want a little higher quality.
I need to see full size.
Full size.
Yeah.
Great.
For $15, yeah.
So this is what the box looks like.
Very cute and festive.
We don't know if they're going to be the same. We don't know. We don't know anything.
Yeah. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it.
It looks like a Walmart box on the inside.
Yeah.
With just a little slip of paper. We turned those in unison. That was amazing.
That was. Okay.
It comes with a card. The card does not give us prices. And they're both the same.
Okay.
Okay. Where do you want to start?
Let's do this.
This is the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Body and Face Lotion. I didn't know Gold Bond did for retinol.
I didn't either. I didn't know they did a body and face situation. I knew they just did body creams.
Clinically shown to reveal smoother looking skin overnight. Non-irritating, gentle for daily use. There's not a lot of retinol in this.
No.
7 moisturizers and 3 vitamins.
This will be nice for my...
It smells like Gold Bond.
For my vest at work. Yes, most certainly does. Feels nice.
Yeah, that's a nice lotion. Are you going to put it on your face?
No, never. Nope. If it can go on my body, it cannot go on my face. No.
Usually.
No.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's not full... Well, maybe this is full size.
No way.
It's a face one.
There's no way.
It doesn't tell us.
It doesn't give us anything.
Do you want to scan that QR code to shop this month's beauty picks? Which that says that they do it monthly, but I don't think they do it monthly.
This box?
Yeah.
That's a lie.
Well, it says shop this month's picks.
Oh, sorry.
That's not the right.
How do I do?
Go to your camera.
Oh. Oh, that's right.
It's loading. Loading.
Slow ass internet.
So this is 0.75 ounce. The full size is 7 ounce for $12.99.
Okay.
So the full size is 10 times the size. That's a body lotion.
Yep. Absolutely.
Okay. Where do you want to go next?
Okay, let's do another little squeeze-it.
This is the Cetaphil Hydrating and Firming Cream Skin Activator. Hydrates for firmer, less crepey looking skin. This
must be face. Right?
Or neck. Apply to full body twice daily for continued results. A full size of this is $17. It's a giant tub.
Okay.
So this is where you would use, like, if you're getting crepey between your boobies.
Yeah. Just nothing.
It doesn't smell like anything.
No.
It feels fine. It feels fine.
Feels fine. All right, let's do this one.
This is the Paul Mitchell Awapui shampoo. Just a little sample guy. Everything's sample size so far.
I've noticed. Shampoo classic.
Yeah, it's their basic. It's the like Paul Mitchell basic shampoo.
Okay.
Let's do this guy.
Okay.
This is this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One Waterproof. Removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. Cleanses, refreshes. I have a full size of this in my bathroom right now.
I didn't think you used this. I didn't think you used micellar water.
Sometimes. When I'm doing kind of a no makeup, like I just wear mascara and I don't want to do a full
cleanse. Yeah. Okay.
This is fine. This is
2
good
in
for
1
travel.
waterproof.
This might go in the travel
Yes.
bag for vacation.
Yes.
I don't wear a lot of makeup on vacation, so I don't need a whole lot more than micellar water to take the makeup off. This guy. This is the Palmer's Coconut Hydrate Daily Body Lotion. So we've gotten 3 body lotions.
Yeah.
It doesn't smell. It smells
Coconut.
a little coconut.
Mmm.
That's fine. Palmer's is a nice brand. This is good size for the vest at work.
Yes. Yep. Love this.
1 tube of liquid IV. Sugar-free raspberry lemonade.
Perfect.
We do love these, so I'm not mad to get this, but
1.
1.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
These are the Impress, the No Glue Mani premium. Are yours like blue with some...
I don't know if that's blue or
jewels?
purple.
It's kind of iridescent blue, purple.
You always
tips.
tell me that I'm colorblind, so I don't know what color this is, I guess. Peel and press.
Yeah. So these are the kind you don't need glue with, which means they're going to stay for date night.
I do like the shape of these.
They're almond shaped? Is that what that's called?
I would call it an almond, yeah.
This is the color Visions. I don't really
Where do you
use
see
these
that?
much. On the bottom.
Yeah.
This is Ardell Press On Pre-Glued Under Lash Extensions. No glue needed.
So, I have used these. I used the Kiss ones that we got. Remember when you got 1 eyelash and then I got 17?
Yeah.
I like these. I like these. These
There's
do
2
need
different sizes in here. 8 millimeter and 10
Oh, yep.
millimeter.
You do need a tweezer to
Does
get
it
it up
come
in there.
with a tweezer?
No tweezer.
Nope. They're fine. I don't really use fake lashes much.
No, but if you are going to, these are a nice style. They're simple. They're
you don't have
easy
to worry about
apply.
cutting them to the right length. They
Right.
already have the glue on them. It's, yeah.
Okay.
So talk to me.
So I like the Walmart box better.
This is not any better than the Walmart box.
I don't think it's even nearly as good as the Walmart box. For the price, double the price, and all lotion.
3 lotions. It's overpriced.
I don't think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's overpriced.
I don't want to say it's fine.
It's not fine.
That was going to come out of my mouth, but I don't mean it. So these are what, $6, $7? These are what?
Probably 8, 9.
So this is maybe the price of the box.
I don't like paying for samples.
I don't like
that.
paying that much for the samples. If this box were $7, it would be fine.
Yes.
Even if it were $10, I would be more okay with it. But $15 feels like a stretch.
Yeah. Yeah, I kind of think this is a fail. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. We don't get a lot of fail boxes, like complete
like
failures.
Yes.
There's some nice stuff. We're going to use this.
These lotions are
fine. Micellar water is okay. It's fine. But as a whole,
especially as somebody that doesn't use press-on nails and eyelashes, like these are not universal. Everybody loves these kind of items.
That's the full size item.
This is not a new mascara to try. This is not a new lip oil to try. This is not
even a single eyeshadow.
Right. A lip blush.
This was really underwhelming.
Yeah, I'm not even whelmed. I'm underwhelmed.
Yeah.
Meijer, you can do better.
Yeah, take some look-sees and see what Walmart's doing. So, thank you, Donna.
Thank you, Donna. Now we know.
Now we know. Did you guys get this box? Did you guys feel kind of about it the way we did?
Did you get the exact same box as us, or is this like our Meijer got this version and another Meijer got a different version? I'm curious.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. Ring our ding-a-ling.
Ding the ring-a-ling.
We will see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Bye.